Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special topic which I have never talked about on my channel before. I am going to share with you how I made over $2,000 by shopping with my credit cards. Who doesn't love shopping, right? Let's just hurry up and get into the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so you have to stay until the end because at the end I will share with you my little secret. Most importantly, these credit cards I'm about to share with you guys, they have no annual fees. So this credit card right here is actually my first ever credit card. It's Bank of America's 321 reward card. Is that how you call it? Cash rewards. The reason why it's called 321 is because 3% cash back on gas, 2% on grocery, and 1% on everything else. So there's a new feature right now. You can go on your app and choose which category you want to be for the 3% cash back. Personally, I still let it be the gas because gas is kind of expensive. For the cashback, it does have a limit. It's up to $25,000 each quarter that you can get your cash back. Meaning the gap is $2,500. If you spend over $2,500, the rest of the money that you spend, you won't get cash back. Also, you can add these. So for example, the Starbucks has 5% for 31 days left. I'm not sure how often they change the stores, but they do change it time to time. So you have to check it by yourself and make sure to add it. It has a check mark. So if I spent $100 on Starbucks, I can have $5 back. That's very little, right? But it adds up. And if you don't use this card, then you don't get anything back, so it's better than nothing. So the cashback will stay in there and you can transfer it to your account whenever you want. I usually just let it sit there for a while and until I have a good amount, and then I will transfer. Another good thing is if you are a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you will have bonus when you transfer your cashback to your Bank of America account. So Preferred Reward member has 3 different levels. For gold, you have 25% on top of your cash back. For platinum, you have 50%. And for platinum honors, you have 75%. That's a lot. Let me tell you how that's a lot. Let's say you have $100 cash back and you want to transfer to your account. If you're a gold member, which is 25% more, $100 becomes $125. And for platinum, $100 becomes $150. For platinum honors, $100 becomes $175. That's almost double, and that's just only $100. Imagine if it's $1,000. How much money you would make by just shopping and transfer your cashback rewards to your account. Those are like free money. So for this credit card, I got $320.77. And right now I have about $81 that I haven't transferred. Next credit card is Chase's Freedom Unlimited. For this credit card, it's 1.5% cash back on everything and it's unlimited. Remember, Bank of America, it has a gap, but for Chase Freedom Unlimited, it's called unlimited for a reason. And also there's no annual fee. I have this card since 2016 and I have received $815. Right now it has $864 sitting there that I haven't transferred to my account. That's a lot for just using the credit card. That's a lot of free money right there. Imagine if you use cash or if you use your debit card, you won't get this money. The next credit card is beautiful. This is the Apple card. Isn't it beautiful? It's like pure white. It's so pretty. For this credit card, you get 3% cash back whenever you purchase anything from Apple Store. So if you buy a MacBook, an iPhone, just anything Apple, even with Apple services too. So for example, every month I pay for iCloud, that is 3% cashback as well. And it's really smart because before I got this card, I used to pay it with my Chase Freedom. Once I got the Apple credit card, for some reason my phone knows it's better this way. They just switch it to my Apple card. I don't know how they did that, but I think it's a good thing because I don't have to do it by myself. So I put it right here. This is when I purchased my iPhone. It's over $1,000 and I got $32 cash back. 2% if you use Apple Pay and 1% on everything else where Apple Pay isn't accepted. There's no annual fees and there's no foreign transaction fees or late fee. So there's no any other like extra fee. What I really like about Apple Card is that it's super easy to deal with. I really love this. You can drag it and see how much you need to pay every month. So see, if I pay $40, I will have interest. And it will tell you how much the interest is. And if you put it right here, it will tell you no interest fee. So this is the lowest you have to pay, that you won't be charged any interest fee. You just want to pay it off at once. You don't want to pay any interest. I think this feature is amazing. So for this Apple credit card, I have made $64 so far. I got this card ever since it came out. So however that long, I think it came out last year. So it hasn't been that long and I have already got $64 cash back. So the last one is not a cash reward credit card, but it's also a very good credit card to save money. It is the Target Red credit card. I do have the physical credit card, but I don't carry it on me because I always use Target's app. It's kind of like Starbucks, so I already put that credit card inside the app so I can just scan it with my phone, just like Starbucks. If you shop a lot at Target like me, you definitely need this credit card. It will save you a ton of money. It's 5% on everything you get from Target. Instead of 30 days, you have 60 days to return and exchange your stuff. Also, you get free shipping. So here's the thing, I love this card, but when I first got it, in the beginning it says free shipping for everything. But now I feel like a lot of items, it still has to be at least over $25 in order to get free shipping. Only certain items that you don't. Not long ago, I got a little allergy medicine and it was only like less than $10. I have free shipping. So I guess it just depends on the items. But for the most part right now, you need more than $25 in order to get free shipping. But yeah, this is not a cash reward card, but it does save you a lot of money compared to if you pay by cash or other cards. So I'm going to add up all the cash reward I got from these credit cards. Right here, it's over $2,000. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. It might seem like it just because I'm so passionate about it, but this is not sponsored whatsoever. I just feel like everyone should know it and utilize it, you know? And these credit cards don't have any annual fee. Okay, so here's a little secret I want to tell you guys. Well, it's not really a secret, it's just like use them smarter. Obviously, if I purchase anything from Apple, I will use the Apple credit card because it's 3% cash back. And if I want to get gas, I will use the Bank of America because it's 3% on gas. And for groceries, I will use Bank of America because it's 2% on groceries. For everything else, I will use Chase because it's 1.5% on everything. So basically, I only use my BOA card for gas and groceries. Everything else would be Chase Freedom. Unless there's Apple Pay 2%, then I would use the Apple card. Just try to be smart with it. And then I tell my dad and my mom is really good about it, but my dad would always call, ask me like, hurry, I'm at Publix right now. Which card do I use? The blue one or the red one? Oh, and also, I'm like the accountant in my family, so I deal with all the bills for our internet, insurance, and utility bill, cell phone. For all the bills, I use Chase Freedom, unless you're not allowed to. Like my electricity bill, I have to use a debit card, a checking account to pay for it for some reason. They don't let you use credit card or they might charge a fee for credit card, and it's not worth it. But for the most part, you can pay with credit cards. Then I will use Chase Freedom. It's 1.5% and it's unlimited. Usually the bills are really high, so it's a good thing that Chase Freedom is unlimited. So yeah, be smart. Use credit card to pay for your bills. Don't write a check or don't like use your checking account because you don't get any cash back. Alright guys, so that is how I made over $2,000 by using these credit cards. If you're not already using the cash reward credit cards, hurry up and go apply and start earning some money from shopping. Let me know in the comments what your favorite credit card is. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, Pixie. Oh, if you pay... Pixie? You okay, baby? What's in there? Is that a bug? But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram.